Okay, let's make some fried ice cream. It's so good. So first we're going to start off with some corn flakes, not frosted flakes, corn flakes. Crush them with your hands or blend them in a food processor. Then we're going to take some ice cream scoops. I use two. You can make yours as big as you like. Roll it in the corn flakes. Then we're going to take 3 eggs, mix it up, and then we're going to roll the ball in the egg mixture, and then we're going to put it back in the cornflakes to add the extra coating and crunch on the ice cream. After that, we're going to wrap it in some Saran wrap and throw it in the freezer until it freezes really, really hard. Once it's solid and hard enough to fry, we're going to put it in some hot vegetable oil. Make sure it's really hot, about 350, before you put the ice cream in the skillet. No more than 30 seconds on each side. And that's it. It's that simple. That's all. Add whatever toppings you like. I put chocolate syrup, whipped cream, peanuts, and a cherry. Perfect.